Okay, what I'm gonna do here, since I got a little ahead of myself just a moment ago, I'm gonna give you all some examples of proper citations and quotes. An improper citation of quote. Davis says that managing student plagiarism can cause instructors to feel. Okay, there's no date, no page numbers, or nothing. The proper way to cite this is, according to Davis, 2011, quotation marks, managing student plagiarism can cause instructors to feel. Quotation marks again, and the page number, page 160. This is the proper way to cite. It's not the only way to cite a source, but this is the most proper way to cite a source, especially if you're doing a direct quote. You also have what is considered a block quote, which is 40 words or more, and but that's enough for another lesson here. Examples of plagiarism. The quote here is, if you read this quote and then the paraphrase, it's plagiarism and the overuse of secondary sources or misuses of current copy. Cyberspace, however, is even more problematic because of the ease of moving text around according to Bodie. All right, now in order to paraphrase this, you have to put it in your own words, but still using the main idea that the author has provided. So in the paraphrase, you would possibly write it, according to Bodie, 1998, because advances in the technology, it's very easy to copy and paste works with proper citation, without proper citation of authors. Sorry about that. But when you paraphrase, you always, even though you're using your own words and you're keeping to the main idea of the author, you still have to cite the author. You have to give the author credit for what he or she has written. Without it, it would still be considered plagiarism if you did not properly cite. The next one is summarizing. Summary is pretty much the same in some ways as what paraphrasing is, because again, you're using basically the same main idea of the author, but you're using, you're still using your own words. For example, here, according to Evering and Moorman, most public and private schools, colleges, and universities have academic integrity or honor codes and consequences for plagiarism. The summary, as written here, is according to Evering and Moorman, most higher education facilities have a set of rules and ethics that follow that go against plagiarism. So basically, it's keeping the same idea, but only in fewer words, if you will. The paraphrasing and you can use paraphrasing and summary too much. Most of the time, when your instructors give you an assignment to write a paper, they want to know if you understand what's being written, if you have synthesized the material, did you take it in, do you know what's really going on? And so if you use paraphrases and summaries and direct quotes too much, that means you're basically going along with the same material. It's the same work, it's the same material, you're just using a whole lot of paraphrasing and summaries. All right, we're gonna go to the internet again, and here we go. We're going back to Purdue Al. So I'd like for you all to read each one of these and see how you would do the passage, how you would cite it.